Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Big Jesse and I want to make you a better lock picker.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and I'm just very excited to say that we did it. Through some really great detective work, we were able to find out Big Jesse's new channel. If you had not watched last week's Locksport update, what I did was I featured a channel called Big Jesse. This was a really cool lockpicking channel that featured many different how-to videos, community building videos, and he was always making new and interesting videos. But one day he deleted his YouTube channel, he deleted all his videos, and on top of that all of his social media, and just overnight he completely disappeared. I shared this finding with the community through my Locksport update video last week, and we were able to track down his new channel. I have since reached out with him and he gave me permission to share his new channel, and I am really excited to share Big Jesse's new channel with you all today. So his new channel is going to be called Jesse Lockpick. He has not made any new content in over a year. Throughout his channel, he has uploaded some of his old videos, and he's starting to get ready to make some new videos. Big Jesse has been dealing with a lot of personal issues in his life. He has been taking care of a good friend, Hollis Chalmers, who was one of the originators in Locksport, but he has fallen ill, and Big Jesse has been taking care of him. Hollis Chalmers was one of the original owners of KeepPicking.com, and he is a really great guy, and he is a pretty cool person to know, and Big Jesse is doing a great thing being able to help him out in his time of need. So Big Jesse is planning on making his channel more current. He is looking to make some more videos, but he is not quite there yet. But if you'd like to check out his new channel, it is going to be called Jesse Lockpick, and I'll put a link up on the top here, and I'm really excited to see when he's going to start making some new content. What I'd like to do now is just roll a introductory clip of his new channel.
Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Big Jesse and I want to make you a better lock picker. So that's what I'm all about. I pick locks, I do gear reviews, and I talk a whole lot. So hit that subscribe button and follow me through my Locksport journey, and maybe we can both learn something along the way. Peace.
Thank you so much for checking out the introductory clip to Jesse's Lockpick. Jesse is a really great guy, and he has always been actively involved in the community. He had his previous channel, Big Jesse. He has written many articles for the art of lockpicking, and he is just a pretty active guy. I really hope he can get everything sorted out so he can start making some new content. But if you'd like to check out his channel, what I recommend you do is I'll put a link up on the top here that will take you directly to his channel, and you can check him out and consider subscribing. He has uploaded some of his older videos, so if you'd like to see what he was doing before, they will be up on his new channel. So what I'd like to do today is we're going to do another Locksport update. This is a video series that I started so I could share some of the updates and some of the accomplishments that I have accomplished. But more importantly, this is a really great place for everyone to share anything that they are excited about, any accomplishments that they have made, or just anything they'd like to share. If you'd like to share anything for next week's Locksport update, I highly recommend that you leave it in the comments below, and I'd love to share it in next week's update. But either way, guys, let's get started with this week's Locksport update. I'd like to first start off this week's Locksport update by thanking everyone that has helped support my channel by liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, clicking the notification bell, and just being a really great member of the community. You guys really keep my channel very engaging. I really enjoy interacting and responding to all of your comments. I enjoy all the positive feedback that I hear, that my channel has really helped many learn how to pick locks, and it has just been a really great resource. I have recently reached a really cool milestone that I cannot even fathom. I have reached 1.5 million channel views, and that is just such an incredible number, and I really have a hard time even being able to conceptualize that many views. What I'd like to do now is go over a few milestones from some of the smaller channels that were reached this week. The first channel that I would like to go over is going to be Thumper. Thumper is a relatively new channel, but he is growing every day and always making new content. Thumper has just reached 100 subscribers, and he is planning on doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. And what I'd like to do now is just roll a quick clip of his 100 subscriber giveaway video.
Good evening. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I've been racking my brains out. I just can't believe I've got 100 subscribers, and it really did seem like yesterday. But I hope this can help, the new guys. If it's a new guy that wins, you guys could take it, pass on. I don't really care. I don't care if you're advanced or not. You win it, it's yours, and all this other stuff. So I hope that's a good giveaway.
But if you'd like to check out a pretty cool channel and you'd like to see more of Thumper's videos, I highly recommend you check him out. And what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can get linked directly to his channel and consider subscribing. Another really cool milestone that was reached this week was by Albert LaBelle, who also goes by Big Al. He is known for stumping Bosnian Bill with 2 challenge locks. He is known to just make really difficult challenge locks, and he not only makes difficult locks, but he can pick through many different challenge locks, and he is just showing that he is a really great lock maker and a lock picker. He is continually trying to improve his video content, and he is a really fun channel to watch. So Albert LaBelle just reached 300 subscribers, and he has alluded to that he is going to do a 300 subscriber giveaway coming up. So what I'd like to do now is just roll a quick clip of the video where he is mentioning wanting to do a 300 subscriber giveaway.
Welcome back again, everybody. It's Albert LaBelle, and I've got a challenge lock in the vise called Have a Nice Day by Steel Pinnings. Also, I've got a little bit of good news. I finally ordered some stuff from Sparrows for the 300 sub giveaway. So as soon as it gets here, I will take care of all that. I will show what it is. I guess I'll just go ahead and keep it a surprise a little bit longer. It's not that big a deal, but I guess anything's a big deal.
So I highly recommend that you check out Albert LaBelle. If you'd like to check out more of his videos, I'll put a link up on the top here so you can link directly to his channel and consider subscribing. He is a really great guy and really deserves your subscription. The next thing I'd like to mention is Bill Bacardi. Bill Bacardi is a man that is very well known in the community for his generosity, always reaching out to people, and the inability to say no. He just wants to see everyone successful and help everyone out. Bill's been going through some personal things in his own personal life, and he's been a little bit absent as of late, but he did share the reason why he hasn't been uploading as frequently, and I'd like to share a quick clip of that right now.
Hello, everyone. Bill Bacardi. Hopefully everybody's well. I'm going to do Stock Lock Sunday for you. And I'm going to do a little bit of explaining here too, guys. About why I haven't been around. But we had some problems here, family stuff going on here, guys. So I've just been so busy with all that, back and forth to the hospital and all that stuff. Like I said, I've been busy. Family member that was in the hospital didn't make it, and we had a funeral and a wake. The wake and the funeral Thursday and Friday. Ended up Friday night, we ended up rushing my mother to the hospital. So here it is Sunday, and I got a little time, so I'm going to pick this stock lock for you. Ooh.
So all I have to say is, Bill Picardi, please take your time. Do not stress on uploading. We'll be here when you get back. You always want to take care of your family first. This is a really great hobby, and we all understand. But once you can start getting more involved again, I cannot wait to see more of your content, and just keep up the great work. What I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out Bill Picardi's channel and consider subscribing. He is probably one of the nicest people in Locksport, and I really highly recommend that you check him out. Another channel that I would like to share is Dark Arts Lockpicking. Dark Arts Lockpicking shared in last week's Locksport update in the comments section that he is planning on starting to make some educational and how-to videos every Sunday during the Stock Lock Sunday series. So if you'd like to check out some educational videos and you'd like to see more about his channel, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here and you'll be able to check out his channel. He is going to post one this Sunday, and it will be worth checking out, and I highly recommend you check out his channel and consider subscribing. Another channel I'd like to mention is Jason Carlson. This week he was able to send me some challenge locks. I have not picked up the package yet, but it has arrived, and I'm going to send him out some locks as well. I'm really excited to see what he sent me, and I'm really excited to see how he is going to fare on the locks that I'm going to send him. Jason Carlson is the man that made this pick. He's a really talented pick maker, lock picker, and all around a really great guy, and I highly recommend you check out his channel. Another cool video I saw this week was by William Mansell. William Mansell picked this pretty cool push lock, and I'll just put a quick clip of that video right now.
Hello, everyone. Well, I have something that's very interesting. I think it's interesting, and the cat thinks it's interesting also. It's this little Wise concentric ring key lock, is what the key says on it. Patented concentric tubular lock.
If you'd like to check out William Mansell's channel, I'll put a link up to his channel in the video description below, and I recommend that you consider subscribing. All of these channels that I have mentioned today are really fun channels to watch. All of their channels will be linked in the description below, and I just highly recommend you check them out. But this is all that I've had for you today, guys. This has been my Locksport update. If you have any updates that you would like to share, I highly recommend that you leave them in the comments below. I try to go through them every week, and I'll try to add them into next week's Locksport update. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out.